You're listening to Immigration Update on the air with Attorney Jack Golan with 50 years of experience in U.S. immigration law. Now, if you're in California, go visit him, of course, by calling him first at 213-383-3222. For someone who just texts right now, the address is 3250 Wilshire Boulevard, Suite 1918 in Los Angeles, California. Now, another issue of concern is with regards to the EB2 visa program. Apparently, there had been so many cases of, some pretending to be lawyers and of course, coming up with some schemes to obtain legal permanent resident status for some people. I guess this something happened to, without mentioning the nationality, but just recently, November 6th, there was like a fraudulent visa application that falsely claimed American businesses wanted to hire skilled foreign workers. Now, people have to be aware of these things. Sometimes we receive a lot of calls from people who say that, well, they were promised this job, and then when they arrive, finally it's not available for them. Or maybe they're, subjected to many question and answer, and finally they give in to allowing them to provide false documents. What are the things that one has to be aware of, Attorney Golan, with regards to this particular visa?
Look, EB2 is the same as EB3 by being an application for an immigrant visa for a foreign worker. The only difference is the class of worker, whether it is a worker simply a skilled worker or whether it's a worker of an advanced degree. But it is the same. It is an application for a foreign worker.
Mm-hmm.
So you should be aware that if you are offered that somebody will sponsor you if you pay the money, then this is a bad idea.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? If you are not able to find a job based on your skills, and maybe with assistance, with help of family or friends, but you need to pay to somebody for employing you, for sponsoring you, this is a bad idea. Don't do it.
Uh-huh. So basically...
It usually doesn't work.
I see. So basically, if someone were to petition for you to work for them, you don't have to shoulder any expenses. It is the employer that will provide all the expenses.
No, it's not only the matter of the expenses. It's not only a matter of the lawyer's fees or the filing fees. It is a matter if you need to pay them for their willingness
I see.
to sponsor you. Mm-hmm. It goes beyond the cost of the lawyer or the filing fees.
I see. So what can you say about recruiting? There are some recruitment agencies, companies that do this. How does one proceed dealing with them? If you were like someone from out of the country, let's say someone listening right now from other countries and would like to work here and accesses the internet, finds an available employment opportunity, how does one deal with these people? Just connect with them by email, and how to check the veracity of the company?
Look, there is a difference in the type of visa which we are talking about.
Okay.
If we are talking for a green card, and the green card is based on an offer of indefinite employment, somebody offers to employ you for as long as they need you, and if you have to pay the middleman for finding you this employer, or if you have to pay the employer for sponsoring you, I suggest you don't do it.
Mm-hmm.
On the other hand, there are agencies who are genuinely looking for workers to come to the United States for temporary jobs.
Mm-hmm.
And those used to be the nurses a long time ago, and today there are all kinds of other professions which are in short supply in the United States, and there are genuine employers and genuine agencies who are willing to sponsor people for working visas, not for green cards, for working visas. And this may be legitimate if you just do some checking. For example, I just read an article in a newspaper from New Mexico